gray hairs like crazy, and it's driving me bonkers. I don't like this at all. This isn't, I'm not cool with this. I got one there and one here, and what in the, I don't like it at all, and I need to stop now. Can you focus? But let's go on to my skin that's hating me right now. Do you see this? Let's just zoom in a little bit. Look at that. It hates me. Focus. Yeah. But nothing I can do about it right now. I do have this color corrector that I got in a beauty boutique box a while back. So it's green, which corrects redness. So we'll give that a try. I think it should work. A lot of redness in here. I almost feel like I should just like splotch it through. I don't know. We'll see how that works. So, the VIB sale is coming up. I'm super, super excited about that. I am actually doing my makeup today to film my, my, I can't think. Recommendations. My recommendations. I'm using my Lancome Virginia Peak Lift Makeup Lifting Anti-Wrinkle Radiance Foundation. Did you go focus? Nope. Anyway, I'm mixing that one with my Unique Liquid Foundation because it is a bit more like drying and a bit more pink. I'm just going to put literally like 2 drops of the Unique one in with the other one. And then start buffing it up. Anyway, I'm super, super excited for the sale. I'm also going to do my wish list video on what I'm hoping or thinking of picking up. And we'll see what I actually pick up. But what are your guys', on your guys' wish list for this sale? I think that's enough. We just need to even the skin tone here. So, this is the sale that everyone's been waiting for, and I'm so excited that it is 20% off again. Will you focus on me? Thanks. Yeah, I'm glad it's 20% off instead of 15. That makes me happy. Yes, let's see. What shall we put on our under eyes? We're going to go with the Tarte one. Just, why not? Just a little bit, Anyway, yes. I did get my nails done recently, and the girl that usually does it wasn't there, so I had a different girl do it, and I know they're gonna break. I can feel it. And she, physically hurt me, twice. Okay, I don't know what's happening. It just keeps, I don't know, stopping. Anyway, I was talking about the lady. And, she never apologized. She just, acted like I had, spooked her and upset her. And I'm like, you hurt me, lady, not the other way around. God. But I don't think they're gonna last long. I can feel, especially this one here, it's super weak. So I can just feel it. It's not gonna last. It's not going to last. I'm using, Laura Mercier. And a messy brush, apparently. Anyway, I don't know what's going on with my camera right now. It doesn't want to do. What it's supposed to do. I can't finish the sentence either, apparently. But that'll do. Alright, I want to play with my new, you get it, Violet Voss that I just hauled in my latest winner's haul. just going to take a brush, and I think I'm going to take the color Transition and do exactly that. But yeah, it was definitely not the best experience, and I hope I don't get her again, because she was just like, I don't know, not good at what she was doing, obviously. Ugh, and I hate that. I don't know. You had that experience where they're like, I don't know, just not pleasant. I feel like that's what happened. She was just not pleasant. She was just in a rush, and I don't know. Anyway, I am heading out to go back to BC in the next couple weeks to help a friend out again for Mother's Day. So I'll be gone for Mother's Day. But I am hoping to see Brian O'Brien perform while I'm out there. So hopefully I'll be able to like vlog that and do that. That would be nice. I will definitely try. If you haven't heard of him, you need to definitely go and check him out. I really like him. I like his style of music. And if you like, I don't know, like, saying like a lot, but like, ugh, quit saying like. To describe it the best I can, like, damn it, I said it again. Irish, New World Irish, kind of country rock. It's a lot of things. Don't even know how you would describe it, but you should go and check him out. Brian O'Brien. Song to Farewell, I think, is the name of my favorite one. Maybe I can... Ooh! Now I lost my brush. Shoot. There it is. I was gonna... Camera shut off on me again. I don't know, like, if I leave the frame, it seems to, like, have an issue. But, whatever. And I totally forgot to tell you what colors I'm using. I'm just using all of them. But what I was gonna do was, like, give you, like, a snippet of what he sounds like. He's on Spotify and everything else, too. So if you have Spotify, just, you know, look him up. Let's see. Oh, another song I'm really loving right now is Nicole Concilio's new song, You Ain't. Oh, in love. Totally love it. Let's see if I can look at
this. I can only play a few seconds of it, but...
That's what I'm talking about, like that kind of music, but I'm not exactly sure what it would be called. You know what I mean? Is there a specific genre it would be under? I don't really know. But I'm hoping to go and meet him and do all that. That would be cool. Very, very cool. I'm going to switch to a different brush because I've just been using that one. And use Wine and Dine down here in the corner. Not that you guys even know really what I've been using, but I use it underneath here. Ooh. Sorry. And a little bit of Teddy Bear here to kind of darken it up a little bit. But yeah, I really like his songs here. And his voice. Listen to his voice.
There my voice will bow and buckle flawless on another chance, and never then will I again to free my peaceful mind to roar. Will you sing to me farewell?
I don't know, I really like it, so there's that. And I'm hoping so very badly that I can go to see him play. I don't really know what I'm doing here, guys, so literally just, like, playing with this palette. Anyway, like I was saying, for the trip, I'm, like, trying to, get back on board with, like, keto and stuff. It's not working at all. I've totally, like, flopped when it comes to that, but I am trying. Trying to pull all these ones that I'm using out of here so that they're not too bad here. And, yeah. I use a really pretty, like, shimmery color on the lid, but I need something. I'm going to use this Cuddly Beauty Elixir and just kind of slightly dampen the brush. And I think I want to use On Fleek and either Cool Beans or Toffee. Haven't really decided. I'm going to use this color at least halfway on my lid here. Such a pretty color. I like that a lot. I need to spray my brush again, I think. Slightly. Don't want to go ham on it or anything here. But it looks so pretty. But who else is obsessed with Nicole's new single? It's so good. Alright, I'm just going to kind of wipe this brush off and then spray it again, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to go into Cool Beans there to lighten up the inner corner so I don't look too dark and vumpy, even though, you kind of want to look that way, but kind of not. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Yes, I definitely like this. There we go. Can you see that? Probably not very well. I'm going to try and zoom in, and hopefully this thing doesn't... Can you point it? Kind of. Anyway, I'm going to take Ploof, which is even lighter, and put it right in the inner corner just to like lighten it up a little bit more. And under here. There. Darky, vampy-ish. Alright, I need to, I think, bring that burgundy color up a little bit more because it's kind of looking a little funny. Just like the tiniest bit. There. I'm not usually doing anything this bold, that's for sure. But I am like trying to film something kind of very, very makeup related. And I don't know, I don't want it to be. I don't want me to look like a bum doing it, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Anyway, this definitely has fallout, and now it's like under my eye. Alright. I'm going to do my brows real quick. I'm still using the MAC, spiked? Yeah, eyebrow pencil. I don't think I go through eyebrow pencils quite the same way other people do. I just don't want anything too harsh, I think is what it is. I'm not very good at brows. I'm not really very good at any of my makeup, but I try. And to play. I'm definitely gonna have to... Do I not have a sleeve? I know I do. Just where? Is this it? I don't know where it's... Oh! There. I don't know. Does that look okay? Kinda looks a little light right here. I don't know. Does it look okay? I don't know. We'll go with that. I don't know, and we'll go with that. It's good enough. Let's see. I do need eyeliner and stuff, but I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one. Contour stick. And a flat, like, dense brush, and I'm going to put it onto the stick here. And just dot it on for contour. That looks super harsh in the viewfinder, but I swear it's not. It's gonna look harsh on film. It's not though, I swear. It's like the easiest and lightest way to get it onto your skin without looking like too crazy, you know what I mean? See what I mean? I'm just a mess. Always in like too much of a hurry or something. Kind of. There. So it's too subtle on one side. There. I need to... My eyebrows, I just realized. Anyway. So there's that. I really like that technique of doing it that way. It's not like super crazy or anything, but I kind of want to use this, but it's way too dark, so I'm just going to use, I know, my bronzer, Butter Bronzer, and just like lightly sweep it like on my cheeks too. Mix it right on the cheeks here. There's like a blush bronzer down my neck. That'll do. This is still red, so that didn't work at all. I kind of look like cake face right now. I don't know why. Maybe not. Never mind. There's one. Let's see. I want to to do, I don't know. What else do I want to do? I feel like my eyes are super bold, so I'm going to do a nude lip for sure. Very nude. Very nude. I'm going to add like a peachy gloss. This is the Elizabeth Arden High Shine Gloss. Just gonna add a little something, something. Oh, and that was an e.l.f. Nearly Nude lipstick that I just got. I don't know about this. It's a little too brown. You know what I mean? I don't know. Do not mess up the rest of my makeup. That's good enough for now. Okay, so I'm going to do some eyeliner. Just like a little bit because this looks kind of bold and probably needs eyeliner. I don't know, does that make any difference? No clue. I'm going to curl my lashes and then put on mascara. Did I do anything? Not really. I need a different one. I'm going to use, that was just a dollar store one. This one is, I don't know who. Came in a fancy case, that's all I know. As I drool. That'll have to do. I don't know. I feel like I should, I don't know. Maybe. I'm going to double up on mascaras. This is the It Cosmetics Superhero, which is very nice. One mascara that I do not like, that is like impossible to remove, is the Bad Girl Bang or whatever. Oh my god. They even use like eye makeup remover and I can barely get that off. I did not like that at all. At all. And I have like 2 samples of that I have to like, I'm just gonna have to get rid of, I think, because they're just terrible. I don't like them at all. And Too Faced Better Than Sex. Alright. Starting to get some volume. Oh, that was like a clump. Do not want on my lashes. What's your guys' favorite mascara? I love the L'Oreal Paris one that's like duping this one. Yeah, that'll do. You see? There's a little bit of something to it, but I do want, I'm just going to take this Cargo one. It's the Texas Lash mascara. It's just got this really great brush. Focus. Yeah. And focus. And it really just kind of gets rid of clumps and makes everything super feathery. I really do like this. Just like as like the finishing touch. It's really quite nice. Alright, we should do some kind of blush or something. It kind of looks a little off. Let's see, what do we have in our treasure trove of goodies to try? Oh, we have the new blushes and a new Moda brush, and we're just gonna kind of go like that. And then start back here, work our way forward, and oh yes, I do like that. And I like this brush. Do you see it? I probably can't even see it. It's very pretty. Just gonna kind of put it everywhere. Okay, and then I want to try the other Moda brush, which is this gorgeous highlight brush here, and my Jeffree Star Skin Frost in Peach. As I was saying, I want to brighten up my under eyes, so that's what I'm doing real quick with the Wet n Wild powder. I just need to like brighten up under my eyes just so it looks good. That'll do. But I will take a couple pictures and then we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.